More than 4,000 exhibitors, more than 1,900 trade show premieres, visitors from all over Europe and from the United States, China, India and Japan. And also famous politicians came to visit the Hannover Messe 23, for example the German Bundeskanzler Olaf Scholz or the Indonesian President Joko Widodo. The biggest trends of the Hannover Messe 2023 were AI and machine learning, Industry 4.0 and Manufacturing X, energy management, hydrogen and fuel cells, and the carbon neutral production. So see you again here next year at the Hannover Messe 2024 from the 22nd till the 26th of April.